एंड दे सेड हमने तो ये सब सोचा भी नहीं था, हमें लगा कि गाड़ी हो, घर हो एंड हम फॉरेन घूमें, ये करें वो करें, दैट इज व्हाट रियली सक्सेस मीन्स। This conversation is very, very special to me, and I remember this conversation was happening with class 9th C. There were about 45 students sitting in the class, and that was one of the days when I went there and to do a session with them. All these years I've been speaking to teenagers, but this conversation is very close to my heart because something was said in the conversation that really stayed with me. We were talking about life lessons. So I was in a conversation with them, and I simply asked them that, by what age, right, you think you will be successful? So they were a little puzzled and they were thinking that what age they'll be really successful. So I asked them, okay, let me ask you this way, how many of you are successful? And they were looking at me, and I remember this voice sitting right in the front, very close to me. He said, like, we are only about 15 years old, how can we be successful now? I said, okay, I picked up something from his answer and I said, so आप ये बताओ कि कितनी एज तक आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे? अगर आप 15 पे, if you feel that how can we be successful, we are only 15, and then there were other kids who were saying that, I agree with him, abhi we are only 15 and I think it's going to take time for us to be really successful. And I said, if that's the case, by what age will you be successful? And they gave different answers. Somebody was saying I'll be successful by 25, somebody said 30, somebody said I'll be very successful by 40. And I said, I am getting a lot of different answers, 25, 30, 35, 40. But can you tell me, how will you actually measure that you are successful when you reach that age? And then this boy sitting in the front once again said, the day I have my dream car, and the day I have a brand new house, I would know that I am successful. And I looked at him and I smiled and I said, okay, let's move on to others and ask them that how will you all measure? So different answers kept coming in. Somebody said, when I would probably go on a world tour, I would know that I'm successful. And then yet another person said that, when I would have the watch that I've seen. I said, which watch is that? Kids, they figure out. So they said, I would want to have a Rolex watch which is worth I don't know how many lakhs. The day I have that, I will feel I'm really successful. And I said, who else? And then there is this girl who said, she took a company's name and she said, the day I have this purse from this brand which is worth in lakhs, I think I'll be successful. And I was looking at them and I was totally mesmerized, and I was also at the same time puzzled that where are they really headed? And I felt that all their answers, all of them, they're coming from a viewpoint that the day we have possessions, or the day we are in the possession of possessions, we will be successful. And I smiled and they looked at me and they said, why are you smiling? And I laughed and I said, I think I got the definition wrong. They said, what does that mean? And then we got talking, and then I said, the way I look at success is very different maybe. He said, sir, what is your definition of success? And I said, I'm going to give my personal opinion and that's how I look at it. You are free to have your own choices. And they said, sir, nahi, aap batao ki what do you think of success? And I said, for me, it's a combination of a couple of factors, starting with, how healthy you are, right? What is your circle like? What is your social circle like? How many friends do you have? I'm not talking about the Facebook friends. How many friends do you have who will be with you in your thick and thin? How are your relationships with people around you? Especially, how is your relationship with the family? How do you feel inside yourself? How happy are you on a scale of 10? And they were looking at me like that he has gone mad. While I was talking, I got into the full flow of it, and they were looking at me that what is he talking about in terms of success? ये तो कुछ और ही level पे चले गए. And then I looked at them and I said that, how much time I get to spend or do in terms of what I like. I'm a big lover of books. How much time I get to read? I spend a lot of time reading. I define myself being able to spend time to do what I really love to do, being as successful. And they said हमने तो ये सब सोचा भी नहीं था, हमें लगा कि गाड़ी हो, घर हो, and हम foreign घूमें, ये करें, वो करें. That is what really success means. And I asked them that, कभी आपको किसी ने बताया success का definition? They said बताया तो नहीं है, लेकिन when we talk to our parents and when we talk to our uncle aunts, when we talk to people around us, तो यही समझ आता that the day we will have all these things, we will be considered successful. And I had a smile on my face, and that really made me think, what are the conversations that we are really having with them? We as parents, did we ever sit with them and did we actually ask them, beta, what does success mean to you? I'm not saying that what I spoke about is the rule of thumb, but maybe what is important is that money is equal to success. Tons of kids are going by this definition, but the one you're watching this, is it actually true? I don't think so. There are so many other factors. So I have a request to make. After watching this video, take out some time, sit with your child and ask her that what does success mean to them. You might be able to give them a better view so that they can look at life in a better way, because eventually it's all about their view of life and you are the one who can form a better view for them. Thank you.